Hello and WhatsApp. I was searching on TEMU about an affordable body camera, and I found this, and the good thing they are offering a discounted price on this device. But first, I would like to unbox and show to you the function of this body camera. This is HD video and audio recording body camera. With 450 mAh battery capacity, enough to take almost 4 hours continuous recording. So inside the box is the manual with different language translations. Then you have this normal micro USB cable. And of course, the device itself. By the way, this is made of plastic material, so the weight is not really an issue at all. Well, the magnetic function is okay to be attached to any metal surfaces, but using it while riding in bicycle or e-bike, I really don't recommend it. So in this side, you have the SD card slot, the reset hole button, the microphone, and the night vision button. And this side, you have the light indicator, mic recording and save, video recording and save, and the power button. Then the normal micro USB port. So this can capture the wide format of 1920 x 1080p. You can also rotate the camera into 90 degrees angle. This has an infrared night vision mode, and with wide angle capability, WAV 513 kilobits per second recording format. So this has backclip design, so the weight is not an issue at all. Very light in weight, only 28 grams. A reminder if you want to download your video in this device. Better remove the SD card and insert that into card reader. Do not connect directly into this device, because I made a mistake, and now I can't and no longer use this device, because I rely on the manual. It says you can connect directly to laptop using the data cable. I was downloading for longer hours and it stopped and the SD card getting hotter. If you clip like this position, you will be taking wide angle. The device position will depends upon the dress you are wearing, and using magnetic function not really recommended. It might fall down and can damage the device. This device has two options in either video or audio recording. In video recording, in every 10 minutes it will automatically save the video, while for audio recording, in every 30 mins it will automatically save. So this is how it works. When you turn on the device, as you notice the red and blue is blinking means that no SD card is inserted. By the way, this supports up to 128 gigabytes of SD memory. So when you want to use video recording, slide this button. Don't worry in every 10 minutes. Recording it will automatically save the video, but still, you need to slide to save sign when you're done recording. Same thing if you will choose the audio recording button, but this time, in every 30 minutes, it will automatically save the audio. So how you will know it is recording? The light indicator will blink for 5 times after that. The recording will be starting. And of course, if you are taking video at night, turn on the night vision button for better quality of video. So this is the sample video for daytime. Be reminded that this has no video stabilization mode, and I'm using this while riding my e-bike. And this is nighttime using the night vision mode. So what's your thoughts about this device? Your comment is highly appreciated. For me, this device is powerful enough to capture good video in a situation that we feel we are no longer safe. This device may not protect us, but it will help us in a worse scenario. And that's all. Please do leave your comments. Your opinion and thoughts is highly appreciated. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well. Thanks for watching.